Are you stuck with a Cash App business account but no longer selling products or services? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch your Cash App account back to a personal account. Stick around until the end because I'll share a key tip to make sure your request goes through smoothly. First, here's something most people don't realize. You can easily switch from a personal account to a business account inside the app, but you cannot switch back to personal directly in the settings. The only way to do this is by contacting Cash App support. Here's how you do it step by step. Open your Cash App and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select the Personal tab. This is where your account details are stored. At the bottom of the screen, tap Contact Support. Choose the Chat option. This is the quickest way to get help. When you're connected with support, clearly tell them that you'd like to change your account from business to personal because you are no longer selling goods, providing services, or collecting donations. Be polite and clear with your request. This will help them process it faster. After that, Cash App support will confirm the change and your account will be switched back to personal. Remember, there's no button to switch back on your own. This step requires support intervention. Only request this change if you're completely done using your account for business transactions, as switching back again could require additional verification. And that's it. Now you know how to go from a business account back to personal on Cash App. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Cash App tips. And if you have any trouble with the process, drop your question in the comments. I'll do my best to help you out.